All right, let me just see. Starting up the live stream. Okay, done. Hello everyone. Hi Vincent. Hi Cheryl. Hi Richard. Paul P, welcome. Gary, welcome. Edmund, Derek, Cheryl, hello. Welcome. Sudhir, hello. Happy Wednesday to you as well. Thank you. All right, let's get started. Hello and welcome everyone to the Simple Forex Setup Show. Today I will be going through 10 currency pairs and looking at the setup for next week. So let me share my screen and let's get going. Hey Jenny, welcome. Okay. So today, as always, if you have any questions, pop them in the chat box and I'll be able to answer as we go along or at the end. All right. First today, I'm looking at Gbp Usd. At the moment, I'm still looking for short. So this is one of the currency pairs we took a trade on last week. We entered, I think, somewhere here for a 1, 2, 3 risk to reward ratio. So that is sort of looking like it's towards the end of its legs. So at the moment, if it turns back and does a bit of a pullback, then I would be looking to re-enter short again. Depending on what happens around here, we might not get a pullback. We might, you know, get continuation. So we'll just see, but I would prefer a pullback first and then looking for short opportunities again on this currency pair. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro USD. Euro USD, again, looking for short on this one. Either at the little trend line there if it doesn't go any further. Otherwise, looking for a pullback in this entry zone just near the previous high there and also the trend line. The trend line is from the D1 time frame there. So looking for short opportunities. Let's just watch the price action and see if it continues to go up. That's fine. Just waiting for the reversal higher up. The next currency pair I'm looking at is AUD USD. Okay, so with AUD USD, I'm now looking for long. So those of you that were on my Telegram channel would know last week I was looking for short in line with this previous high, but that didn't come off. There was a small loss at half the original risk, and then it kept going up. So now looking at basically a retest of that area and looking for a long opportunity there. So we had the breakout coming back, and let's see if it retests. If there's a reversal and keeps going up, we are looking to go long, and if it goes short, that's fine. I will probably not be entering a short trade on this at this stage. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Gbp Jpy, and Gbp Jpy I'm looking for short again this week. So this was one of the trades that we again took last week. We shorted from about here. It was 1, 2, 3 risk to reward ratio trade, ended in profit. So now we're looking at this, you know, we're at the sort of the bottom of the trade. So looking to either get that pullback back up to the previous horizontal, previous trend line, or sometimes like in the past here, we didn't really get a proper pullback. So there might just be a reversal in terms of continuing that trend further down. So we're just going to have a look and see what happens here the next couple of bars. And if it does go up, then we would wait for a reversal at that trend line and look for short opportunities on Gbp Jpy. Next currency pair, I'm looking at Euro Jpy. This one again, I'm looking for short. So we have, where are we on the bigger time frame? We've sort of broken through that a little support line resistance that was there before. So I'm looking for, in a way, a retest of that now. Let's see what the price action looks like. If it does get into this area, then I would be looking for short. Next currency pair is USD Jpy. Now USD Jpy, it is a little bit tricky. This one, I always sort of seem to be looking for short around that top of the range. So again, we're sort of higher than the previous highs, which is not ideal, but we're still lower than the highest one there. So I would be looking for short and a reversal around that 116 point. So let's see how that goes. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USD Cad. In USD Cad, I'm looking for short at the moment, as in terms of that ranging area that we've been in. It is at the moment just barreling up. So this one might take a little longer to set up. So let's see how we go with that. Now let me just see if I've got any questions. Just check the chat. No questions. Okay, no worries. If you have questions, then please pop them in to the chat box. All right, so next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro AUD. And Euro AUD, I'm looking for short. So that has obviously had that massive fall all the way down. No pullbacks, nothing there to get in. So this is really the first pullback that we're seeing in a long time. So I'm looking for a reversal. Ideally, if it does come all the way to the previous trend line, then I would look to short from there. Otherwise, it might start to drop off again a bit earlier. So let's just watch the price action for that. All right, yeah, I've got a question. Let me just have a look. Euro Jpy. Let me see, Euro Jpy. You're looking at long, Euro Jpy. Long. I would not sure. Oh, you're thinking it would, it's going to come back to the top of that, maybe to the top of the channel. Let me just see. Oh, let me see. Yeah, if you think that, then I would not take a long at the moment. I would wait until the price maybe gets above and does a retest there and then look for the long. At the moment, we only have one touch point, and you know, it would be good to have either a double bottom or a higher low. Okay, so then that would be a good opportunity to go long. Otherwise, at the moment, I'm still looking for short. So, and that's just according to my system, right? So if you have a different system and different strategy, that's okay. You know, there are always traders going long or short, different directions all the time. So yeah, but for me, I'm looking for short opportunities on that. Hope that helps. That was for Vincent's question. Mahesh, very good analysis of. Thanks for sharing. You're welcome. You're welcome, Vincent, as well. Okay, let's get back to. Okay, so Euro AUD looked at, and we're looking at short after. Basically, there's already a good pullback. So anytime if there's a good reversal, but ideally looking at all the way up to the top of the trend line and then looking for that short. Next currency pair is Euro GBP. And Euro GBP is very confusing. I don't think I have really been good at analyzing this one. I'm expecting it's going to turn and go back up, but it has not been happening. So I have no confidence in it. And, you know, even here we had a number of attempted reversals and nothing, still kept going down. So in a way, short-term analysis would be still to take short, but if it does come to the horizontal area here at the 0.83, then I would, you know, be a bit cautious. So if it comes up, I'm looking for short. If it comes up high enough so that we have enough room for a trade. Otherwise, I'm looking for, you know, some kind of bounce around that area for a long, ideally going above those highs there, and then looking at a reversal to go long after that. So yeah, perhaps staying out of this one at the moment, as there is no clear just direction or even price action at the moment for me. The next currency pair is Gbp Cad. So Gbp Cad, I'm still looking for short, even though that area is getting a little bit, you know, we're right at the bottom of the range that has been happening for a long time. We have pushed back up, so there's a possibility that we are going to keep going up towards the top of or middle of that range, I guess. But at the moment, if there is an opportunity, that might just be a very sort of short trade. If there is a reversal above those previous highs, let me just draw that up. So if there is any reversal and no close above those points, then I'm still looking for short. If there is then a close above bar there and potentially something like that, then I would be looking for long opportunities. But at the moment, yeah, again, it's very similar to the previous one. Not enough room, but still looks like going short. Anyhow, that is all the analysis for me today. Let me check, is there any questions? Pop it in the chat box. Otherwise, if you would like to join my Telegram group, let me post the link. That's the link to the simple Forex setup in a circle, which is a Telegram group. I post all the trade setups and trade management. Yeah, you can subscribe to that and follow along. Awesome. Gbp Cad. Is this, I think this one also, we took that trade last week. Yeah, that was another 1, 2, 3. Took it at that, I think up here maybe. Yeah, that was one. Probably last Wednesday or so, can't remember now. But anyhow, another profitable trade there. So all the best for this week's trading. And I see you again next week on Wednesday, 12 p.m. Singapore time. Thank you very much. Thanks, Sherry. You're welcome. Thanks. You're welcome, Vincent. Bye, Edmund. Bye, everyone.